The 2018 edition of the Samsung A9 was launched today at an event in Kuala Lumpur. The biggest highlight of the smartphone is its quad rear camera setup with 4 separate cameras. Let's take a look. The dual SIM Samsung Galaxy A9 runs Android 8.0 Oreo. It features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Infinity display. The Super AMOLED panel has an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC coupled with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Getting back to the quadruple rear camera setup, it comprises of a 24-megapixel primary camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera featuring 2x optical zoom, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and finally a 5-megapixel depth camera. In low light conditions, main camera uses pixel binning to combine 4 pixels into one. On the front, the new Galaxy A9 sports a 24-megapixel selfie camera. It features face unlock technology apart from Bixby Assistant and Samsung Pay. There's also a fingerprint sensor on the rear panel. The Galaxy A9 bears 128GB of inbuilt storage, which is expandable up to 512GB via a micro SD card. It's powered by a 3800 mAh battery, complete with fast charging. Price for the 2018 edition of the Samsung Galaxy A9 starts at €599, which is roughly 51,300 rupees. It will be made available from November. The price or availability details for India, however, have not been announced so far. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll know when we have a new video out for you. For all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.